Welcome back to Mazitech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall apps on macOS. So for example, let's say I want to uninstall this dbng app. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your file explorer, and in Mac is called Finder, and then move to the applications directory and locate the app that you want to uninstall. In this case, I want to uninstall the ng app. Sorry, the dbng app. So here it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for it, dbng, and you see all the files that are related to that application, but some are hidden, and the goal of this video is to show you how you can permanently delete all of them, including the hidden system files. So the keyword here is system files. So you need to click on this plus icon at the top of the search and then search for system files, and then make sure it is selected and click OK. Now you are going to select are included. This is going to ensure that all the system files for this dbng application is also shown. Now you can highlight everything and then click on move to bin. That way you are going to essentially uninstall the app, and then you can go to your recycle bin and empty to ensure that you don't have any traces of that file. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.